In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music into speech using ElevenLabs. Whether you're preparing a podcast, narration, or any type of audio project, having the right background music can elevate your content significantly. Before diving in, if you haven't already signed up for ElevenLabs, I highly recommend using our affiliate link. It's a great way to support our channel while discovering a fantastic tool. Let's get started by navigating to the left panel where you'll find an option labeled Studio. Select this and you'll be taken to the heart of the audio creation space. Once you're there, your next step is to create a new audio project. This is where the magic begins, so click on Create and open up a fresh canvas for your audio work. Next, it's time to enter the text for the speech you wish to generate audio for. ElevenLabs offers a seamless way to transform your written words into natural-sounding speech. Simply input the text into the designated area and watch as your script takes on a new life in audio form. Make sure your text is clear and mistake-free, as this will ensure the best possible outcome. Once your text is entered and your speech is generated, shift your focus to the right panel where you'll notice a music icon. This is your gateway to adding that perfect background score to your speech. Click on the icon and a list of your previously generated music will appear. These are tracks you've previously created and can easily be incorporated into your current project. However, if you're aiming for a fresh and unique twist, ElevenLabs also allows you to generate new music. You can describe the kind of song or mood you're looking for, and the tool will create an original track tailored to your description. This feature can be particularly beneficial if you're crafting a theme or need a specific vibe to match your speech. Once you've selected the track that suits your project, simply click Apply, and voila! Your speech now has a beautifully integrated background score. It's as simple as that. Always take the time to review the final output and make any necessary adjustments to ensure both the music and speech volumes are balanced for optimal listening. And there you have it. You've successfully added background music to your speech using ElevenLabs. This tool is a powerful resource for content creators looking to add depth and professionalism to their audio projects. With its user-friendly interface and innovative capabilities, ElevenLabs makes the process both efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy creating!